Here is how to earn Bitcoin doing simple tasks. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to make money in cryptos doing microtask jobs online. These are tasks you can do at home, on transit, at work, and at any time of your choosing. All you need to start any Bitcoin is for you to download this app on your phone, tablet, or you use the web on your computer system. The tasks you can do includes taking survey, playing games, testing websites and apps with your various devices. The good thing about this app is that you can cash out and get your money any days of your choice. Within 5 minutes, you get out your money from these apps. If you use my links and code below the description of this video, you will be open to get a gift of between 25 cents and $250. Yes, it depends on your luck, but I can assure you, you will get something. Another good thing about this app is that you don't need paper to collect your money. All you need is your Bitcoin wallet. And if you use my number one recommended crypto wallet, the company will give you a gift of $10. You will also see the link below the description of this video. It is one of the most secure Bitcoin wallets ever. So how much can you make doing these various tasks? Let me show you. This app will reward you with points. Each point will later be converted to dollar in crypto coins. Every 1,000 points you earn is equal to $1. When you work very hard and you are part of the top people, the first 250 people will win a prize. Look at it. The first 250 people will always win a prize every day. The daily price is $500. The monthly price is $2,500. This is the daily price, $500 on the leaderboard. You can see this person is number one for now. It can change later. He has earned 166,000 points. It's going to take away 50,000 points extra. This amount is $166. This is the second person. He has earned 156,000 points. As of today, it's going to take away a price of 35,000 points. This amount is currently earning in dollar is $156. This is the third person. He has done 145,000 points. It's going to take away 17,500 points. This amount is $145. Look at it. This is the fourth person. The fourth, the fifth, the sixth, up to 250. This is the price they are giving them. This fourth person, he has earned 140,000 points. This is the amount he's going to get. This person, he has earned 140,000 points. This is the amount he's going to get. For every amount of points you gather, this app and the company will give you extra points, which is a price. This is how people are making a lot of money using this app. Any Bitcoin every day. If this person in these various countries, including many people from Nigeria, if they are doing 125,000 points, which is $125 every day, you in Nigeria, you should be able to do $50 every day. So this prove that these people are making good money online with this app. Thank you. You now know how much you can make. All you need to do is to sign up and start working. Therefore, I'll be taking you through how to sign up, what you need to do to avoid your account being terminated, and what you need to do to multiply your earnings using this app to earn Bitcoin from Nigeria. So let's do it. Here is John from Ask JOFA, where we review different programs and businesses that can help you make money online. If you are here for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell. It's going to help you to know anytime I publish my new videos every week. Also, use the various links below the description of this video. It's going to help you a lot to know how you can maximize making money doing microtask jobs with this app. At the end of this video, I'll be taking you through the #1 affiliate marketing training center in the world that has changed my life. Doing microtask jobs online will not earn you passive income. No, you have to always do the task to earn the money. Affiliate marketing will always help you earn passive income. Even while you are sleeping, you'll be making money. You will learn everything about it towards the end of this video and how you can start. But to the topic of today, how to earn Bitcoin using this app on your phone or tablet. So let's do it. The first thing you need to do to land on this page is to use the link below the description of this video, and you will see my code to copy it. As soon as you landed on this page, you see sign up for free. When you sign up, I promise you that you can win between $0.25 and $250. So all you need to do is to enter your email address, put in your password, click agree with these terms. If you don't want to use your email, you can use your Google email directly to sign up. Then you just click sign up. As soon as you click sign up, this is the environment you find yourself yourself. Look at this. Get paid for testing website, for taking survey, for opening account, and many more. So each task and offer you do can earn you $23 plus for every offer. There are 83 offers available. Over $55,000 was collected from this website yesterday. All you need to do is to click here, start earning. Let me explain how this thing works. They observe that within 17 minutes, average people they cash out from here. On this website, you can cash out any day, anytime, within 5 minutes. Look at it, they say average money earned by user yesterday. That is individual amount they make is $33. If an average person is making $33 on this website, you can make $50 every day. Look at it. Total USD earned so far is over $13 million. That's the amount people have earned on this platform. How do you get started? You choose your task, you complete the task, then you receive your coin. I've told you 1,000 points in coin that you get will give you $1. You come to this place. How do you earn? You click this place to know how you earn. This is how you make money here on your apps, tablet, or computer. I'm using my computer now, so you can use your computer. You choose your task, you complete the task, then you receive your coin. You cash out in Bitcoin. I will show you different ways you can cash out your money in Bitcoin, in Litecoin, and Ethereum, and so many other ways. Look at what they say. This is the most common offers that Nigerians will see. By the time you do this, you earn $5.74. This is the amount is attached to each amount you earn. Look at this offer was. This is where you make a lot of money. Each of these offers have so many jobs embedded in them. Look at what they say. Each offer was contain hundreds of tasks to complete. Choose from one of them to start any coins now. Look at what they wrote here. 1,000 coins equal $1. Complete survey to earn coin. For you to know how to cash out, you come here. This is how you collect your money. You click cash out. You can cash out using your PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin. Don't ever use PayPal if you are in Nigeria. They will block your account. People are losing money every day. You click any one of these, then they will pay you equivalent of the amount. It will be credited to your wallet. I have one of the most trusted crypto wallets in the world today. Below the description of this video, if you use and sign up with that wallet, they will give you $10. By the time you use that wallet has coverage for hundreds of cryptocurrency. This is my recommended best option for you to cash out your money from this app. You can use Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. Thank you. You now know all about how to earn Bitcoin with this app, doing simple tasks online from Nigeria. All you need to do now is to start working and start making extra money online. I earlier promised to let you know what you need to do to multiply your earnings. The first thing you need to do is to ensure that you are aggressive and engage yourself with most tasks that is available for Nigerians on this app. When you do multiple tasks that is open to you, you earn more money. Also, you can use your referral link effectively. Use it to invite your friends and family members. Share your referral links on social media platforms. That will help you to earn more money. Also, there's what is called quality score rating. All the work and tasks you do on this app will be rated. The better rating you get, the more work you get, which will help you to earn more Bitcoins. So ensure you put all you have into doing quality jobs so that you can get great ratings that will lead to you earning more money every day using this app online from Nigeria. Also, I promise to let you know what you must avoid to prevent you from your account being terminated or revoked from this site. The number one thing you must avoid is to ensure that you never use VPN. That is virtual private network. Don't try it, otherwise your account will be terminated and you won't be able to collect your money. Also, do not open multiple accounts. Stick to one account and continue to work daily. With that, your account will be safe. I earlier promised to let you know how I make money online via affiliate marketing. I got to know about affiliate marketing via the #1 affiliate marketing training center in the world. This company changed my life. Please watch this video. You will see how I joined the training and how they impacted my life, and you will also see my results and my proof of earnings, and you will also know how you can join and start working, making money online from Nigeria. This company will help you to build a robust online business that you can call your own, that will help you partner with Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and so many big e-commerce companies in the world. You'll be able to make money even while you are sleeping. Please don't forget to click that link and watch that video. You will also see it below the description of this video. Another thing you can do to help yourself is to join my email affiliate marketing training that is free. Just go to askjofa.com, input your email, and you receive my 5 days email training. You will learn everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, and you can start from there. The next video will take you through the number 1 online business you can do in Nigeria that can help you earn passive income every day. And the second video will take you through how to start with the number 1 affiliate marketing training center, and your life will never be the same again. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you.